Have you ever wondered how to grow your own radishes from store-bought seeds? Today, we're diving into the captivating world of gardening, exploring how you can cultivate fresh radishes right in your backyard. Experience the gratification of homegrown produce. Stay tuned to learn how you can grow your own radishes with these simple steps. The first step is to choose the right seeds. Radish varieties abound, but for home gardening, cherry bell or French breakfast seeds are ideal. Consider freshness and opt for organic seeds to ensure a healthy, pesticide-free harvest. Once you have your seeds, you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to plant your seeds. Begin by making holes around ½ inch deep. Space them about 2 inches apart to give each radish room to grow. The soil should be rich, well-drained, and slightly acidic. With your seeds in the ground, it's time to nurture them to growth. Growing radishes requires a bit of care. Water them lightly, making sure their soil is consistently moist but not waterlogged. They love basking in full sunlight, so choose a spot where they can enjoy 6 to 8 hours daily. Nutrient-rich soil is a must, so consider adding compost or a balanced fertilizer. Keep an eye on their growth. Typically, radishes are ready to harvest within 3 to 4 weeks from planting. With proper care, your radishes will be ready to harvest in no time. Growing your own radishes can be a rewarding experience. We've walked through the process together, from picking the perfect store-bought seeds to planting them with love and care. We've learned how to nurture our radishes, giving them the right amount of sunlight and water, and we've discovered the importance of patience in waiting for our radishes to grow. There's something incredibly satisfying about seeing those bright red bulbs peek out from the soil, knowing you've grown them yourself. So why not give it a try? Experience the joy of harvesting your own radishes fresh from your garden. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!